Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Joseph and I'm doing my BTech second year from Caronia University in Computer Science and Engineering. So today I'll be teaching you one program of database systems which I got from a university in database systems lab. So the first exercise which I've got is of data definition language commands. So the aim of this experiment is to work and get familiar with DDL commands. So the description is treated as short name of data definition language which deals with database schemas and descriptions of how the data should reside in the database. So these are the queries, and it is asking us to create a table customer details with the following specifications. So these are the specifications. For example, for column name is a customer ID, data tag and width. Then that should be number of not more than 5. As constraint should be not null, like that is you cannot leave it empty. So there is the screenshot of that skill command line. So what I did was I gave this command in order to get the school file. So there's the command and it will save in this particular location. So I already have the school file, and the one which I run on the SQL command line was this. I've already took the snapshot of it. So I created the table and with the following specification with respect to those specifications, and then I put this command esc customer detail. It will give you the details, all the details and all. You can see that it's with respect to those specifications, and then it is asking us to create a table employee underscore manager with the following specifications. And again, we have to create a table named employee manager with these specifications and with these names, and then the table is created, and then again I have described it, and you can see this thing. And then what it says is add a new column contact form to the customer details table. So how would we do that? So for that you have to give this command alter table customer detail and then add contact underscore phone number. So this thing will be altered, and then it asks modify the size of contact form. So alter table customer underscore detail modify contact underscore phone number 10. Then the table is altered. Then it's asking for add a not null constraint to contact phone using alter command. So for this thing is already there. And then add a unique constraint on the contact phone column. So alter table customer underscore detail add constant C unique contact phone. Then add a check constraint to check whether the customer ID between 101 and 105. So alter table customer detail add constraint check customer ID is greater than 101 and customer ID is less than 105. It's just that simple. And drop the primary key constraint on account number column, and then alter table customer detail add constraint, also not that one, alter table customer detail for primary. So the key is dropped. Then truncate the table customer details. So truncate table customer underscore detail, so the table is truncated. And then drop the table customer details. So the drop table customer details will drop. Oh, that was just ignore that. And then that's the first one, DDL commands, and now we'll see the ECL commands. So the aim of this experiment is to work and get familiar with DCL commands. So the description of this experiment is DCL is short name of data control language, which includes commands such as grant are mostly concerned with rights, permissions, and other controls of the database system. So these are the queries. Create a department table with the following fields. Query all the rows in the department table. So we have to put all those things in this. So we create user OR24 identified by OR24. Before that, I've created this table, and after doing that, create a new user with name OR24. So I've created a new user OR24, and then grant the privilege to create session by the user OR24. So I've granted the session to OR24. I've granted him the privilege to create a new session, and then grant the privilege to then grant user OR24 to perform select insert operations in your department's table. So grant select insert on departments to OR24, and then this question, the answer is this, and you can see all those things, select table, and it's showing every sheet, everything I mean. and that's it. That's how it's done. I'll show you all the things. It's just basics. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and in case if you have any doubts, feel free to ask it out in the comment section. Thank you.